What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J, and today we're going to talk about my pond, how I got my pond to go from very murky and dirty to basically see-through clear. And I'm going to tell you the secrets that I discovered after all the frustration that I had with this. Let me show you my pond now. Okay, you can see my pond, it's clear. You can see my fish. This is how I like it. Many of you probably like it the same way. Let me show you what my pond looked like before it looked like this. Okay, so what's the secret? Well, there's one main component, one main thing that stands out above all else, but I'm going to tell you what that is here in a second. But first I want to tell you, these plants, oxygenating plants, I believe definitely play a factor. I have two pumps here. I have the pump that's working right here, okay? That one doesn't really catch too much debris. The pump that really catches the debris is this UV pump. And honestly, when I bought this UV pump, I thought to myself, I said, oh gosh, it's another $150 down the drain that I'm gonna spend. It's probably not gonna work. And I'm gonna have this fountain, and I had to get it all hooked up and everything. And I was like, we'll see though. No joke, after about a week, my pond went from what it looked like before to now what it looks like here. And I have goldfish in here, I have koi fish in here. And in my opinion, the big two factors are the UV filtration that I put a link to in the description. So there is a link to this particular pump in the description. So when it comes to cleaning this actual UV filter here, I clean it about once every 2 weeks. I try to clean it once a week. That's probably what's better for it. And that'll help keep this thing running smooth. The actual fountain, which I've hooked up a little turtle to. Anyway, once every 2 weeks should be fine. But I have a lot of fish in here. I get a lot of algae, so I clean it once every week if I can. Once every 2 weeks should be fine. I haven't gone longer than that yet, so I don't know. But back in April, this pond was really murky and dirty. I even drained it, put a whole new bit of water in there. That still didn't do the trick. This UV filtration is what it did. So anyways, guys, if you guys like these videos, you want to keep up with me on this channel, please subscribe to Urban J. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and if you've done anything to clear the water, share that information with people also looking for information about clearing the water in their ponds.